Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you, in my last video, if you remember, we showed you how to take the Keto coffee and make a nice hot steaming cup of coffee. And today I'm going to show you how I use the very same Keto coffee, no difference, and I'm going to make an iced coffee with it. And I'm going to show you how I do that. So I'm going to open my package, take my little fancy cup here, pour the package inside, get all that yummy goodness in there. And now, because I have this single blender thing here, this is how I chop up my ice and everything like that. You can use a blender or anything you want, hand blender, whatever works for you. If you don't want ice in it, you can still just, you don't have to blend the ice, you can just make it cold, put ice in there and just have a cold coffee. So I'm going to blend this up first, just because I want to mix it up and make kind of like a paste. Okay, we'll take the lid off here. Now we're going to add some of our ice cubes. And you know, I love this coffee because it's so great. Like, you can take it to go, make it hot, make it cold, whatever you're in the mood for, and it's forgiving on those calories too. And the thing people always say to me when I ask them about have they heard of Keto coffee is they go, "Oh, I've heard of it, but I don't really like that whole keto diet." Or, "I'm not really dieting. I don't really need to diet," or whatever it will be. "I'm not trying to lose weight." And the thing about it is, that's okay. You don't have to be on a diet, or you don't have to be specifically on the keto diet to drink this coffee. This coffee is just, I'm just pouring some cold water in here. This coffee is literally just the healthier version of a normal coffee, and it tastes fantastic. Like, you wouldn't think so, being that it's instant, but I'm telling you, it's great. So we're just going to blend that up. Should be enough. Give it a little shake. It's all blended up. Alright, so we're going to open that up. Beautiful. Look at that. It's the perfect color. It's only 100 calories. We didn't add anything to it. And you can screw on, I'm going to screw on my handy lid here. And this just flips open, and there's my coffee. That is fantastic. And then if you want, you can just take a cup, grab a straw, and away you go. Check out my other posts, because I have a giveaway going on. And I also have a post for a shopping spree, a $200 shopping spree. And yeah, maybe you could be the lucky one and you'll get to try the products without purchasing them first, and you can tell all your friends. So you guys have a Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays and a Happy New Year, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye, guys.